Welcome to Spirit Math, where we do our best to create a spiritual way to find the loopholes that currently exist in scientific theory. It's important to remember that everything in science is just a theory, and that means in science we can basically say whatever we want to, because it's just a theory. Science has to be able to explain everything, but sometimes you need something to explain science. That's when we use spirituality and mysticism to explain what science cannot. So today, we're going to talk about the Googolplex. For those of you who don't know what a Googolplex is, it's the apartment building that Google lives in. I'm just kidding though. What a Googolplex is, well, it's a 1 with a Google zeros after it. It's a truly mind-boggling thing too. Science tells us that there are not even a Google atoms in the entire universe, and that a Googolplex of atoms wouldn't even fit in the entire known universe. This being the case, it seems like it would be impossible for anyone to actually count a Googolplex. To give you an idea of the immensity of such a task, even the most powerful computers created by man cannot tell you how long it would take to count to a Googolplex, because such a large number is too much even for any computer to count. However, the spirit is much larger and by far more powerful than anything science could ever conceive. But those facts just don't matter. Like I said, everything in science is just a theory, which means it's not really true. We've just been told it's true. If we believe, we can reveal something truly magical using the practice of spirit maths. Spirit maths fills in the holes of scientific theories and creates shortcuts for those of us with open minds who can activate their math chakra. I mean, basically, a scientific theory is anything you think it could be. So now, we are going to do something that has never been done before, something no human or even computer could mentally or physically accomplish, and we are going to teach you how. Remember, spirit maths is a way to find theories that make maths easier. This is historic, and I am going to count to a Googolplex. Ready? 0. Googolplex. You see? When we were kids, our spirits were free and our math chakras open. We always found shortcuts to counting. We could count by 2s, by 5s, and by 10s. As we grew, our spirits were weakened, as the short-sighted, spiritually stunted facts were force-fed to us by science. This is one of the basic theories of spirit maths. You do not have to count by 1s. You can count by any number. And we accomplished something even the mightiest of science's marvels could not do. We counted to a Googolplex by counting by Googolplexes. So you see, spirit math is truly brilliant. On the next episode of Spirit Maths, we will show you how correlation can lead to causation by presenting undeniable proof of the most cursed object ever to exist. Make sure not to miss it. Until next time, remember to keep your mind and your math chakra open.